In this video, I'm going to talk about how I parted out a vintage Guns of Navarone playset. I'm going to show you what sold and what is still listed. So the first item I sold is just the elevator rail, and this sold for $75 plus shipping. The next item I sold is this. It's like the top turret replacement part, and it sold for $13.50 plus shipping. The next item is this replacement door. It's the small door, and it sold for $19.99 plus shipping. The next item is this lot of 3 replacement. It's like a table, 2 tables, and a bench. This sold for $19.99 plus shipping. This is a little ramp that goes with the playset, and this sold for $14.99 plus shipping. The next item is the top floor, and this sold for $14 plus shipping. The next item that sold is this awesome little rifle, replacement rifle rack, and this sold for $18.25 plus shipping. All right, so the items that are still currently listed is this is a replacement part. It's kind of like a balcony area, and I have that listed for $15 plus shipping. And then this is a part of the floor. I have it for $18.75, and it is on sale plus shipping. Here's another piece of the floor. I think this is the lower level, and I have that listed for $21 plus shipping. Actually, that might have been the middle level. Maybe this is the bottom floor. Either way, they're each a floor of the playset, and this one is $21 plus shipping. Now, this is the actual playset mat, and it's plastic, and it does have some issues, but overall, it's a very hard to find item, so I have that listed for $75 plus shipping. I also have this Jeep with the little thing on the back. I forget what it's called. I have that listed for $52.50 plus shipping or best offer. Same with this boat and landing craft. I have it for $48.75 plus shipping. This is the playset tank. It's a tank that goes with the playset. I have this listed at $56.25 plus shipping. And then there's this half track truck, and I have that one listed for $48.75 plus shipping. All right, these are replacement ladders, and I have these listed for $45 plus shipping. And again, all of my items have best offer on them. So this here is a part of the, it's like a hook and a knob, and it has the rope. I forget what it goes to, but I have that listed for $30 plus shipping. Here's a bunch of men. There's 20 of them. They're soldiers, and I have that for $112.50 plus shipping. And then I have this set, which are gray, like a light gray, and there's 26 of them, and I have that listed for $112.50 plus shipping. Okay, so the next item is another replacement door. This is the bigger one, and it's for the threshold. I have that listed for $30 plus shipping. The next item are these 2 replacement parts. They're the yellow wagon, and I'm not sure what the other thing is, but I have those listed for $30 plus shipping. The next item is this cannon replacement. I have this listed for $41.25 plus shipping. The next item is another cannon. This is the long cannon. I have it listed for $41.25 plus shipping. And all of the items are currently 25% off, so when that sale ends, the price will go back up. This is a part of the elevator. It's the rope with the little container that the character goes in. $56.25 plus shipping. We have a flagpole here for $18.75 plus shipping. No flag for that. This is a replacement ladder, and this is listed at $30 plus shipping. And the next item is a set of bunk beds. Now, you can take these apart and make 2 singles, or you can bunk them. I have that listed for $33.75. And the actual playset base I have on Facebook Marketplace, I think I have it on there for $25. So that would be a local pickup item. So everything is on eBay. 25% off currently. I have best offer on all of my items, and I do have a link in the description of the video if you're interested in anything. All right, you guys, that concludes this video. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next one. Thanks for watching.